guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. It has been a hot minute since I posted on here, so apologies for that. I hope you guys had such a great Christmas. Obviously this is me filming after Christmas, so it's been such a chaotic week, such a social filled week. I feel like I'm just so drained from that. And I thought I'd pick up the camera today because I'm actually doing a huge end of year reset like I always do at the end of the year. I feel like it's the perfect way just to start 2026. It's actually sunny today as well, which makes it even more motivating for me. And personally, I've been going through it because I've been really ill, guys. I feel like I went into London one of the days and potentially caught something from there. And my room really shows it because if you know me, I'm always organised. I love my room to be in tip-top shape and it just isn't looking like that at the moment. So yeah, I thought we'd do a huge reset together. I'm going to take you guys along with me and show you guys what I do before the new year begins. I've basically done a little checkbox list of everything that I want to do today, and I feel like this is such a great tip, especially if you're in the same boat as me and you'll do a huge reset. It gets so overwhelming sometimes, so I have to write down everything, but I feel like it's definitely something you need to do before the end of the year. Yeah, just generally, it's just a great way to check it off as I go, and it feels so good because I feel like once I've checked everything off, I can actually relax tonight and just have a little pamper session later, which is definitely on the agenda for today. So yeah, let's get into huge end of year reset, and I'm so excited because guys, 2026 is in a few days, and I don't know about you, but I get more excited about the new year than Christmas. I'm just one of those people, and yeah, I'm just so ready for it, guys. 2025 personally has been one of the worst years of my life, and I'm not here for it. So ready for a new year, ready for a fresh start. Let's get into it. Washing is officially in the machine and that's doing its thing, which is the biggest job, to be honest, so I'm glad that's done. And I'm gonna crack on now with a bit of decluttering, a bit of organisation, which is one of my favourite things to do. And yeah, this is definitely something I've been meaning to do for the last 3 months. I've just been delaying it, and I'll show you guys actually. This is my main makeup drawer, and I just feel like I could do with a bit of decluttering. I know there's some old makeup bits that I don't even touch. Same with these drawers. I just have lots of skincare stuff, hair tools, things like that. I really recommend something like this as well, which I think looks super cute and organised. Vanity organizer. I got it from TikTok shop, I think, and they have different colours as well. Again, something I need to reorganise because it's just been a bit cluttered recently. Whilst I'm doing all of that, I'm going to watch some YouTube videos just to pass the time, and it's just going to make my life so much easier in the new year because firstly, I know what I have, what I need to restock on, and also it just means that I don't purchase stuff unnecessarily. Enough makeup bits, if I have enough skincare bits, it really prevents me from making these random splurges that I don't really need. It needs a little refresh, and yeah, let's get into it. So I've made a lot of progress with the drawers. I just thought I'd show you quickly what I got for Christmas because some of the bits are really cute and I'm actually putting them in the drawers right now. Sol de Janeiro set. How adorable is this? I've actually never even tried their products before, but I know that this one in particular is so popular. This little gift set, and it includes a body wash, a cream and a perfume mist. So I'm really excited to try this in the new year. And yeah, it's just so cute. I love getting new products that I can try out, especially skincare products, and this just looks so good. And honestly, it smells unreal as well. It wasn't even something that I had on my mind, but it's just an unexpected pleasant gift. I love that. I also got some Korean skincare as part of my Christmas gifts. This is their ginseng essence water. Again, I've never tried this product, but knowing Beauty of Josine, I'm gonna fall in love with it, so I'm really excited to try this. I received a serum discovery kit again from Beauty of Josine. I'm so excited to try this out. A mix of mini serums from their collection, which I'm so excited to try. I know that their glow serum I already use to death, and I absolutely love that serum. It really does make my skin glowy. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this as well. Yeah, right now the drawers have definitely made a lot of progress. Like, they look so much better now. I've dedicated this drawer to hair care, this one was to body care, and then I also have like an empty space kind of thing in here with like my hair tools, clips and things. Here we have my makeup drawer, which is now all nice and organised. I also got rid of so much like makeup that I just wasn't using, or it was just like out of date. Making so much progress right now. I'm just gonna basically dust down like this whole vanity area, give it a good little sweep, and my shelves as well. I just want to like reorganize it a bit better and like make sure it just looks all nice and fresh for the new year. We're gonna move on to the biggest part of it all, which is definitely my wardrobe, and honestly guys, I'm not ready for it. But yeah, let's get into it and I'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Guys, honestly, I think I overestimated how long this is going to take me, because look at the state of my wardrobe right now. I haven't even begun this section of my room. Sort through my clothes as well, because I feel like a lot of the stuff in here I don't even wear anymore. I can sell them vintage, things like that. I also have a big issue with like loads of the clothes here just falling out all over the place. This bag drawer, I can't even open it right now, actually isn't too badly organised, but again, need to go through that. Also need to go through these drawers, declutter. Cake stuff needs to go away because again, I was so busy guys with orders like just during Christmas season. I haven't had a chance to organise it. Bags coming out of everywhere, and yeah, it's just not looking good right now. Also, how sad is this? All my gingerbread stuff, all my Christmas decor is officially put away now. I need to also find a space for this, because another problem I'm having is every year I'm adding new stuff to my Christmas decor and then I don't have the space for it. So, got to figure out where to put this. So it's been a hot minute since I last caught up with you guys. I managed to do my room. It looks so nice and clean, but honestly it's like nighttime now, so I can't even show you guys in natural daylight. I did manage to clean my room. I sorted out all my drawers. I did my decluttering process, so that bit of it is done, which is definitely like the hardest part. I'm so glad I did it and I feel so motivated. I feel so refreshed. I just had a full body shower. You would have just seen now I was just dermaplaning my skin, which again makes me feel fresh. It makes me feel like I'm pampering myself a little bit. I am just going to go in now with the Medicube face mask, and I've been absolutely loving this product. Like, you can leave this on overnight. It's a collagen night wrapping mask. It has so many good benefits to your skin. You literally just need like the smallest smidge like that. A little really does go a long way with this product. But yeah, like I was saying, I had a very productive day, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to tomorrow. I think I want to try and do a bit more planning when it comes to 2026. And yeah, I just have a great feeling about 2026. I definitely feel a bit more clear-minded when it comes to like my goals and things like that. This mask is so nice and cooling as well. I literally love it. Another product that I've been absolutely loving is the Shine and Support Scalp Serum. This is by Seroa. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Again, it's a new purchase, something I just randomly saw on TK Maxx, and I've been loving like how my scalp feels so nourished as well. Because I have such thick hair, I feel like my scalp does get dry very easily. Basically with this product, you literally just need to put a little bit of a dab basically wherever you have parting, and you just rub it into your scalp. For now, you can actually see like my hair just looks and feels so light and fluffy. I just feel like it just adds something a bit different to my hair care routine already. But yeah, I'm literally just gonna have a chill night now, and I will check in with you guys tomorrow. Good morning guys, it is officially the next day now, and I had a lovely lie-in. It's 9 o'clock now. I've just made myself a really nice cup of warm Indian tea, and it's honestly hitting the spot. I'm basically just gonna have a chill one this morning and take it really nice and slow. And I honestly love this part of the reset, because although organising and decluttering, I find it so therapeutic, but I also love the idea of just sitting down, writing down my thoughts, planning my year, And speaking of planning and journaling and things like that, I've actually got the cutest little manifestation book. I got it for Christmas. This is the Manifestation Journal by Tamcore, and I absolutely love her content. Actually, her stuff is just unreal. So this is her journal. She has another one to do with like self-obsession and falling in love with yourself. So this is the manifestation one. I'm so excited to try it. It includes so many different prompts, so many different pages that you can really work on. It has rewiring beliefs, prompting and manifestations. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this and actually write in it. And just like basically make a head start with my manifestation, because I really think doing stuff like this helps your motivation for the new year and basically reframe your thinking as well. I think it's such an underrated tool when it comes to making your vision board a reality, making your dreams come true. So yeah, let's get into it. So I think I'm gonna wrap it up there. I'm so happy I vlogged this content for you guys, and I'm literally gonna spend the rest of the morning sitting in bed on my laptop and just planning out my goals for 2026. Excited to get into that zone and that flow state. But for now, I'm going to sign off and leave you guys. Thank you so much again for watching, and make sure you subscribe to the channel because in the new year I have so many good ideas that I'm posting on YouTube, and of course being consistent with it this time. All about new resolutions, new mindset for 2026. I feel so reset and ready for the new year, and just doing things like this to break down your to-do list before the new year is so useful. Doing things now before the new year so you can organise yourself, you can declutter your space, you can declutter your mind more importantly, and basically get all your ducks in a row. Leave a comment down below what was your favourite part of this whole end of year reset vlog. I'd love to know, and of course any ideas that you want me to do in the new year, because I'm always trying to plan new concepts, new vlog ideas for YouTube. I'm gonna love you and leave you, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye.